In Kwajok, Warrap State, there was a movement of hope this week. More than 7,200 returnees and internal displaced persons line up to receive food and household items. Before we proceed, I would like you to help me by subscribing to Changfied YouTube channel. The International Committee of the Red Cross, working with the South Sudan Red Cross Society, began distribution on Monday at the Mayen Gamel IDP camp. Families who had escaped war in Sudan and those displaced by violence inside South Sudan came with empty hands and left with bags of sorghum, beans, sugar, and more. Each family was given 60 kilograms of sorghum, 25 kilograms of bean, 10 liters of cooking oil, 22 kilograms of sugar, salt and high-energy biscuit, plus mosquito net, blankets, soap, plastic sheet, cooking utensil, and dignity kit for women. ICRC official Mustafa Abul Imnal explained that this was not just a one-time act. The team planned to come back in 2 weeks to build a primary elder care center and install borehole to provide clean water. Ekima Ahmed, a returnee, said, "We came from Sudan with nothing. My children go hungry sometime. Now at least I can cook for them. This is good. This is God's mercy." Atong Moindeng say, "We receive bean, soap, mosquito net. This app will sustain us." Nyanduk Derbek added, "We had nothing before. Now we have sorghum, sugar, salt, and soup. Truly, this is a blessing." Well, this shows that aid is not just about food. It is about dignity, survival, and hope. But the truth is, this aid is only temporary. If peace does not come, family will continue to depend on an out instead of farming their own land. South Sudan needs peace so that people can plant harvest and feed themselves. Our second top story, flood displaced over 200,000 households in Unity State. While Warrap was receiving food, Unity State was drowning underwater. Heavy rain in May 2025 caused devastating flood that have displaced nearly 200,000 households. The breakdown is alarming. Panjshir County, 75,000 households displaced. Mayendit County, around 58,436 households displaced. In Lair County, 39,000 households displaced. In Koch County, 12,336 households displaced. That means entire villages are underwater. Crops are destroyed, homes are gone, children are sleeping in the open, and families have no food or clean water. Minister Garwich Bipal Booth told iRadio that the government is trying to secure the displaced and is working with 8 partners, but the needs are overwhelming. At least 5 people have already died. Floods are not new in Unity State. They come almost every year now. The government and humanitarian partner need long-term solution, not just emergency food. Dike, drainage system, and resettlement plan are needed so people don't lose everything again next year. Without planning, these floods will continue to trap people in hunger and poverty. Our third story today is farmer killed in Iquitos County. In Iquitos County, Eastern Equatorial State, violence has once again stolen a life. In Iquitos County, Eastern Equatorial State, violence has once again stolen a life. On Wednesday morning, Pasquale Lopeyok, a 38-year-old farmer, was shot dead while working in his garden in Wuraworo village, Isoe Payam. Eyewitnesses say the attacker came from Lolianga area in Torit County. They first missed him with a shot, then chased him before killing him with bullet to the head and waist. 3 suspects escaped after local youth confronted them. Chief Avelino Lolila explained that the youth did not follow the footmark of the killer because they had no weapon. He urged the government of South Sudan to intervene quickly. Commissioner Timon Loboi confirmed the incident and blamed illegal firearm in the hand of civilian. An SPLM lawmaker, Alphonse Muraz Chasha, condemned the murderer and warned it against revenge attack, saying, "Taking revenge will only lead to more killing. The law must be followed." Well, this is a sad example of how insecurity destroys communities. A man leaves his home to work in his garden and never return. The truth is, as long as guns are in the hand of civilians, peace will not come. The government must disarm the people and provide real security, not leave villages to defend themselves. And this will happen when the government of South Sudan put peace, when they negotiate the 2018 peace agreement. This is when the real disarmament will take place, so that the government can take all the gun from the hand of the civilian. In our first top story today, elderly couple died in Wau fire. The final story is from Wau Town, Western Barigizal State. Late Wednesday night, tragedy struck in the place called Kor Madur residential area. According to the information, late Wednesday night, tragedy struck in the Kor Mudir residential area when a Taj house caught fire at around 11:30 p.m. Inside were an elderly couple, Philip Matogbol, 86, and his wife Nafisa Loch, 75. Both perished in the flame. Police spokesperson Major General Santino Odul confirmed the fire and say an investigation is ongoing to find the cause. The remains were taken to Wau Teaching Hospital. A family members Osman Bolrik say he arrived too late. He arrived too late. When I go there, the house was gone and my relative were gone too. We don't know if it was an accident or done by someone. The tragedy has left neighbors shocked, as the couple was not shown to have dispute with anyone. This story teaches us how important safety is. Many houses in South Sudan are attached and built close together. A single spark can burn everything. We need better awareness about fire prevention, and local authorities should prepare fire emergency service. The loss of two elderly lives is painful because they carried wisdom and history for their community. We have learned that from Warrap to Unity, from Ikotos to Wau, these stories show both pain and resilience. Family receiving food in Kwajok remind us that kindness can save life. Flood victim in Unity remind us that disaster need long-term solution. The killing in Ikotos warn us about the danger of gun. The fire in Wau teach us about safety and the fragility of life. South Sudan has many challenges, but solutions are possible. With peace, security, and planning, our people can live with dignity. My message is simple. Let us not give up hope. Let us push for peace, and let us support one another. Dear viewer, if you are new here in this channel, if you found this report meaningful, please subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. Together we can share the stories of our people and work for change. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.